Hey FrameWorks friends! Today we're revisiting art being fully made by FrameWorks. On numerous occasions, we've proven that the possibilities are limitless with FrameWorks, such as these plexiglass wall panels. These are printed and cut at FrameWorks. We've also recently mastered 3D flatbed printing, woodworking with the CNC machine, woodwork freestyles, and so many more. We have top-of-the-line designers who are so passionate and dedicated into making your art perfect, and an amazingly talented team. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. As always, be limitless. Love, FrameWorks.